Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have these DMoose ab straps, and they're pretty cool. So I have one up here already on my pull-up bar. So my chin-up bar actually has like a hook that I can easily mount these to, but it's not necessary. You can always fold these over onto the round part of your tubing, and what you do is you basically just slide that through, quick release, and then up and over, and then put that through, and then you can easily adjust them to where you need them. So pretty neat. And in my case, I have these cool hooks that I can easily just put the strap through. So then I have access to that on either side. So you have to get it hooked. It's pretty easy. Just kind of like drape your arm in, grab on to either side, and then you start doing your ab exercises, leg lifts, or you can lift your legs straight out in front of you. As you can tell, I'm getting back into shapes, but I thought these would be absolutely perfect, and they work out great, give you great support. And what else could you ask for to get your abs back in shape? Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.